Sub team. I hope everyone's enjoying their Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. So I decided to do a pre-recording so I could enjoy the game, and I'll rush to do Zoom after, so you guys can also watch it whenever you're free. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So um futures right now look weak. I got a yes for you guys up on the screen right now. It looks like it's gonna come down at least to retest maybe 40, 50 around there by tomorrow morning. BTC as well is going down, so it might be trying to put in a double bottom at 21,600. So that's my expectations. So we might open red. We might open red. So let's see. All right. Get to some names. So Apple, it did go up after hours. That's not Apple. Oh, okay. After close Friday, it did go up, so I don't think it's a valid move because of what the features are telling me. So I think Apple's gonna open probably around 149 or 149.5 around there, and we definitely gotta watch 148.50. If it breaks that, then the market's probably gonna go low and maybe start to recover towards CPI because we got CPI Tuesday and retail Wednesday. So it's a lot of data coming in this week. So we gotta be prepared for that. So market could sell off tomorrow to prepare for CPI, but we'll tell by the price action we receive tomorrow from the market. Microsoft as well went up a little bit after hours, but like I said, I don't believe the move after watching the futures. So we gotta definitely watch 259 at least. I'll say 259.30 zone. If it goes under that, then Microsoft will go revisit at least these price levels. So all right. So what I'm watching, what I like this week, I got one health name here that looks decent. Gilead Science, sorry, on the daily. Okay, so it looks very strong on the daily. We got a trend line from here going to the downside that could possibly start breaching. So this as well looks strong. Looks like the RSI wants to flag up. MACD looks strong as well. So definitely gonna watch Gilead at least above 87. Let me see why. 88, possibly go to 89. So I'll watch 87, 60. Let me see how it looks on the 15. Okay. Mm-hmm. It's a weak resistance. Yeah, we go to 88 from there. All right, so yeah, I like that level. So 87, 59 on Gilead. We can watch that one. Um, as you know, Healthning's been recovering well. That's the only one that I got for now. On that one, RTX is good. I actually like them because I've been watching LMT. I was yelling LMT Friday all day, and this is a beautiful, beautiful, strong bullish candle for Friday. Everything's pushing to the upside. It's already crossed, pushing more to the highest RS, if it breaks this 61 level on the RSI, it's definitely gonna breach higher. And the bulls literally just came in on Friday, so I like RTX. Honestly, I like it above 101.5, or we could just wait until it goes to 102 and hold. But I want to get in on a bounce if possible. So if RTX could bounce off of at least 98.50, that would be beautiful entry. So I'm putting alert here and that's no bounce. And then if it breaks here, 101 point, I'll start watching it around here to see what happens if it gets to 102. So that one, LMT, water as well, has been doing great. Similar to RTX, very bullish on the RSI. MACD just flipping to the positive side. So this thing could actually go at least to 490, I'll say. Let me see. Yep, high 491, 490, 491. So RTX, we could watch around, let me see, RTX, 485.5, 485.5. I'll edit that. Make sure these go to your channels. And then if we could get the pullback bounce, that would be great. So the pullback bounce entry will definitely be right here, 474. 474 zone on RTX will definitely be the pullback entry. This is resistance, and this is a little bit of support here. So resistance, turning support. You can also try to watch it right here around 475. So those 475 and 474. Those are two areas that it could possibly bounce at. But I think 474 is a better one, in my opinion, but we'll wait and see. All right. Okay. What else I like? 3M looks good on the daily. We got 3M with a nice green candle. Possible morning star forming here. This is beautiful support. Double bottom. We got already kissing RSI. MACD looks a little bit heavy, but it's showing like it wants to create a pivot to start sneaking to the upside. The bulls, same side. I know it's dark already. I feel like it's going to be a 10 change on the next move. So 3M, I like 3M above 115.15. In the money calls will be great. 15.15. If not, 116. I know they have dollar increments. Definitely could go to 116. Once it cracks 116, 117. But 3M looks good. Other names could follow, like Kroger, Walmart. Okay. That's like NUE, metal company. So we got a nice bounce here. Also resistance, turn support area. I'm sure I didn't even mean to start it back there. There we go. There we go. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Boom. So it rejected hard here, but it started bouncing right here. Bounced once. I believe this might be the second bounce. We just gotta wait till it clears up. At least 166. I'm sorry, not 166. 167. think it's like 166, 62. Yeah. 162. Yeah, 166, 62. Could definitely bring it to at least 169. There's another metal name that I like. So yeah, we're gonna wait for a break of 162.60, 166.62 and try to break it to the top at least if we could get to, because this is weak resistance. It keeps making different types of rejections. So yeah, we could definitely, if we get a good run, it'll be 170. But I'm at least $1 to $2 move on that play. I got a small account one is CLF. Been moving pretty well as well. It looks like it bounced on literally the gap fill zone, which is right here. This is the gap fill zone, so it looks like it's ready to bounce there. Um, Let me see. MACD does still look heavy, but it could be creating a turn for tomorrow finally. RSI looks not that strong, but it is turning to the upside. That's why I like it. I like NUE better than this one. I'm just seeing if they correlate and they move together tomorrow. So if they both moving bullish, then I know it's working. But this is a bounce zone for the RSI because it bounced here and this was resistance, so it bounced off resistance. So that's why CLF could definitely bounce here. So I want to watch CLF above 2025, preferably. Yeah, like 2025. You could take either 20 and a half calls or 21, whichever one. You should definitely try to go at least to 21. So I like that one. Let me see which one else. I think this one too is another one. Okay, so we got a nice trend line, respecting relatively strong here on NEM. So we have a nice little double bottom with a higher pivot to the upside. We have a 10 change on the MACD. So this could be another bullish green candle coming in on the daily. So I'm gonna watch at least above 48 and a half. I like 48 and a half. So I'm gonna put a 48 and a half. Definitely take it to 49 for sure. And from there, we go at least to here. Been getting sold off pretty much. Could be the second leg to push to the upside. Okay, got, I like Oxy. Oil this week looks very good, by the way. We could watch oil names, a few of them. Oxy looks good. Friday, very strong candle. A lot of volume. RSI already made a inverse head and shoulder to go to the upside. MACD also just crossed with the bulls just coming in dark. So we could watch the 66.15 zone on Oxy. Let me see. Watch for the upside for the calls. Since we're watching Oxy, you could also watch CVX. Similar, strong setup, double bottom, RSI, about to cross. This kind of lagged. 10 change could start pushing to the upside. So 73. Mm-hmm. So check around here for sure. Is that around 171? Let me see on the 15 how this closed. Okay. Yeah, I'll wait till it breaks 174. 174, 80, 174, 80, and you could go for the 175 calls on CVX. Hell yeah, for sure. Looks good. So those two you could definitely watch. Did I even explain why I like CVX? Yes, I did. Actually, I didn't. One second. Sorry. Oh, yes, I did. I did both. Sorry, guys. All right. I think I got like three more. That's it. I could watch this one as well. CF, a name that I'm pretty sure none of you guys played, but the setup looks impeccable. So we got this beautiful strength on the R side. MACD just about to go positive, so that means there's still room for a nice strong move to the upside. Maybe it could reach the 200 over here, which would be around 97 almost. No, sorry, 96 and a half. So we in the 90 range. So 92 point, yeah, 92 and a half is a good area for me to watch this one tomorrow. For the upside, will probably go to, like I told you guys, 96. Could be a strong move. They got ER coming up. Maybe this is why they prepping. Might be an ER run up. I just noticed that. All right, so also like this one. Nice little trend touching already like 4 times. Already crossed. MACD about to cross 10 too. Might get a green one appearing tomorrow. So this one we just gotta watch. Honestly, it shouldn't be a hard entry. Above, I'm gonna say 77.95. I'll watch it. 77.95. Mm-hmm. We try to break through 78.30 and rip, but this is a good setup. I like the MACD on the day. I like the RSI, everything to the upside. And this is definitely a buy zone. As you could, I'll just put it for you guys so you guys can see what I visually see without even putting it up. This is what I see already without putting it up. So you see buying, 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 buying. You understand? Okay. Okay. Two more. No, three more. So MOS, I was talking about them slightly on Friday. MOS, they're about to break the 200. It just rejected. So if we get above the 200, which is like around 51.95, I believe MOS has more upside. So definitely gonna watch this one tomorrow. Okay, around here. RSI looks strong. MACD also looks strong. Everything looks strong. This thing could push easily. First level will be 53. That'll be the first level of target. The next level will be 54.20 zone around there. So those two levels. Oh, look, they got earnings coming up. Might be an earning thing. So MOS, LW, Dino. Okay, okay. Lamb Weston Holdings. Looks like it's ready to break out this little channel after the gap up. Look. So we got a nice little uptrend. Okay, so we break 100.50. 100.50. We going to the upside. This looks very strong. Very strong. Oh, sorry, guys. You get my drift. This already is changing tints, so it's showing that it could start curling up. But I like this one to the upside. I think it's gonna be one of those all-time high situations. Let me just verify 1 second. Yep, all-time highs. So watch it. Big watch. All-time highs on this one. Cat energy's moving good too. Cat's looking like it's at a nice support. We got bounce 1, 2, 3, 4 bounces. I like the level of 249.90 to watch for the upside on Cat. We got RSI already making a double bottom. MACD 10 change. It needs to just start turning, so we gotta be cautious on that. So if Cat decides to come down on us, we gotta watch for the bounce at around 244.70. So that'll be a bounce zone if it wants to bounce. If not, it's gonna go down at least to 242.5. So if it flushes 244, then you know to go for shorts. We go watch gold tomorrow. Gold names. Let's see if they rebound. I want to talk about this one before I talk about Barrett Gold. So this one looks good. Friday, strong move, almost a morning star. Not beautiful, but almost there. But everything looks good to the upside. Double bottom, about to kiss. MACD already curling, showing that it wants to stay positive as well. So we gotta watch this one above 56.5. We could watch this one. Matter of fact, 56.10 to be safe. Should definitely push to at least almost 57.12. But this one looks good to the upside. I like it a lot. Nice little bounce off the 200 here that's holding. This one I like. And Barrett Gold, right? And then that's it, team. Oh, I gotta talk about Spy and Q's too. I don't believe I spoke about it. Right here, I like gold, how it's making this nice little bull candle on a bounce off what we got here, guys. Resistance, right? So it's literally bouncing off that area. So I think if Barrett Gold recovers 18.70, I mean 17, sorry, we have room to go to at least, hold on, 18.5. So RSI looks like it wants to bounce already. Only thing is looking heavy is the MAC, so we gotta be cautious. But we gotta see what type of action we get tomorrow. So I want to make sure the level hits because it could easily reject. Kind of looks like a bear flag a little bit under the 50. And I think that's it, team. Let me just verify. Yeah. Oh no, Hall burn. And then Cat. No, I already spoke about Cat. Sorry. Oh no, Planet Fitness. That's it. Those two. All right. So energy. Remember, energy was zooming Friday. So Hall looks decent for the upside push. We break above 39.70. We could go to 40. So I'm putting a little around there. 39.70. We go to 40. Double bottom. Not even. That's almost like a triple. 1, 2, 3. Triple touch bounce. Curling. 10 change. Nice little bounce area too. All likes to bounce here. As you can see, I'll draw my rectangle. So that one, and last but not least, Planet Fitness, and I'm done. I like this buy zone. Nice buy zone right here for Planet Fitness. This is resistance a few times back in December, and now it's bouncing. So RSI is showing that it can go to upside. MACD doesn't show too much strength, but we can start getting in early on the move. So I'm not getting discouraged. So I'm gonna watch. If it wants to bounce, I'm gonna watch 80-30 for the bounce. All right. And if we break, I'm watching just near my volume profile line. So 81.80, I'll say. I'll watch. Let me see. Yeah, I'll watch 81.80. Planet Fitness. All right. SPY daily looks good. Not gonna lie, looks very good. Daily looks almost like a hammer candle, and it's bouncing off resistance over here where it was rejecting. The only thing that looks bad is this, the MAC. That's probably why futures are pointing lower, because this is literally crossing to the downside. But this, the candlesticks are in the bull's favor, and the RSI is semi in the bull's favor too, because it's obviously trying to turn up. It's not showing that it wants to go down. It already made its move down, so it's showing that it wants to start bouncing. Let's see if it's valid tomorrow. So I'm watching basically on SPY tomorrow. I'm watching 408.35 and 407.27. And Qs, similar setup, nothing really different. This one actually looks like a morning star about to happen because this looks doji-ish. This little green guy over here, but watch it 298 for shorts and 301.07 for the upside move. See if we could get to 304, maybe. Let's see. But yeah, that's it, team. SPY looks a little heavier than Q's, my opinion. But let's see tomorrow. All right, have a good one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, team. Bye.